Students, this is 137th maths class. Look at that question, students. So you can see a question on the board. Find the coordinates of the foot of the point perpendicular, foot of the perpendicular drawn from the horizon to the plane. Perpendicular is drawn from the horizon to the plane. So observe the students. Observe this students. This is plane. This is perpendicular. Look at this students. This is plane. This one is perpendicular. So foot. This point is horizon. This point is horizon. And the point which is in contact with the plane. Point which is in contact with plane is called foot. Foot means, you all know that very well. Foot means lowest point. Which is the lowest point? You look at this. This is the lowest point. This point is called as foot. This point is called as foot. This point is called as foot. This one is horizon. Perpendicular is drawn from, this is perpendicular to the plane, drawn from horizon. This point is horizon. This edge is, this upper edge is horizon. Lower edge is foot. What is foot, students? Foot means lower point, lowest point. Lowest point is called foot. Which is the lowest point of this perpendicular? The point which is in contact with plane. So this point is called as foot. This point is called as horizon. This point is horizon. Now it is asked to find out coordinates of the foot. It is asked to find out coordinates of the foot. So now you take coordinates of the foot as x, y, z. You take coordinates of the foot as x, y, z. Perpendicular, drawn from horizon to the plane. Coordinates of horizon are 0, 0, 0. Now it is asked, it is required to find out x value, y value, z value. Further, students, plane's equation is given. Plane's equation 2x minus 3y plus 4z minus 6 is equal to 0. Tell me normal vector from the plane, students. Normal vector. If plane is given, normal vector is 2i minus 3j plus 4k. So right. So tell me normal vector, students. 2i minus 3j plus 4k. Normal vector. This is normal vector. Observe, students. Normal vector and OP. Normal line and OP are parallel. Since these two are parallel, their DRs must be proportional or equal. DRs of parallel lines are equal or proportional. This is perpendicular. Drawn from horizon to the plane. This is normal line. I have drawn this on the board. Normal means perpendicular. Normal line and so OP perpendicular, drawn from the horizon to the plane. Normal line and OP are parallel. So when we say two lines as parallel, when their DRs are proportional, since these two are parallel, their DRs must be proportional. Same thing has been drawn on the board. So look at this, friends. Now I write DRs of OP. Solution. DRs of OP are DRs of perpendicular line. DRs of perpendicular line are, so write A1, B1, C1, A1, x2 minus x1. So x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, x2 minus x1, x minus 0. You take this as x1, y1, z1. You take this as x2, y2, z2, x minus 0. That is x. A1, B1 is y. So C1 is z. DRs of normal normal or Dias of normal vector. You see this normal vector students, 2i minus 3j plus 4k, normal vector that you see in the previous class. You practice all the classes very well and you find it everything. You feel that everything is so easy. It's easy concept. Tell me now, Dias of normal vector. Normal are 2, a2. You take Dias of normal as a2, 2. B2 minus 3, C2 4. This A2, B2, C2, they are the dias of normal. Dias of normal. Further, these two lines are parallel. Normal and OP are parallel. Dias must be proportional. That implies x by 2 is equal to y by 3. Y by minus 3 is equal to z by 4. Let you take that x by 2 is equal to y by minus 3 is equal to z by 4 as k. You take that as k. So from that x is equal to 2k, x is equal to 2k, y is equal to minus 3k, z is equal to 4k, z is equal to 4k. Now, so x foot, we got x, y, z students, we got coordinates of foot, but still we have this unknown k required. If we can able to find this k, finding the foot is so easy. Now let us think of how to find out k. Very simple students, you substitute x value, y value and z value in the given plane. Substitute x, y, z in the given plane, you are going to get k value. So you will get k value. So right. K required. Substitute in the plane. 2x minus 3y plus 4z equals 6. Substitute for x, y, z. What is x students? 2k. So 2 into 2k minus 3 into what is y? Minus 3k, minus 3k, z plus 4 into z is 4k is equal to 6. Simplify that. So right, 2 2s are 4k plus 9k plus 16k equals 6. 16 plus 9 25 plus 4 29k equals 6. That implies k equals 6 by 29. Find out x value, y value, z value. X is equal to 2 into 6, 6 2s are 12 by 29. So y is equal to minus 3 into k, 6 3s are 18. Minus 18 by 29. Z equals 4k, 24 by 29. 24 by 29. So therefore, foot is, so tell me, foot means it is point. You should write like ordered pair. Point, it is point. You should not leave like that. ಈ ತರ ಬಿಡಬೇಡಿ, ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಫೂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಾವು? ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್. 12 by 29 minus 18 by 29. 24 by 29. This is the foot. You do one thing students, solutions to start with, let the foot be. Let the foot be. So you take foot as px, y, z. You take that foot as px, y, z and solve. So this carries 3 mark. It is 3 mark question students. Let us go for practicing same type of questions. You practice same type of questions, right? One more question. You solve one more question. Find the coordinates of foot of the perpendicular drawn from the origin. Drawn from the origin to the plane. drawn from the origin to the plane. 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 12 equals 0. So write solution. You take let the foot. Let the foot be px y z. Let the foot be px y z. So directly solve, students. Figure and all those not required. No marks for figure and all those. You try to solve directly. Drs are perpendicular. So drs of perpendicular. Drs are perpendicular are x y z. Perpendicular are x y z. Next, drs of normal. Drs of normal are, tell me drs of normal, 2, 3, 4. These two should be proportional. That implies x by 2, y by 3, z by 4. Let it be k. Let x by 2, y by 3, z by 4 equals k. Find out x, y, z from this words. X is equal to, x by 2 is equal to k. X by 2 is equal to k. X is equal to 2k. Y is equal to 3k. Z is equal to 4k. You substitute x, y, z in the given plane. So to find k, that is 2 into, what is x? 2k. Plus 3 into, what is y? 3k. Plus 4 into, what is z? 4k. So minus 12 is equal to 12. Calculate k value. Find out k. That is 2 to the 4k plus 9k plus 16k equals 12. 25 plus 4, 29. 29k equals 12. Then we k value is 12 by 29. Now write the foot. Calculate x, y, z. X is equal to 2k. Substitute for k. 12 to is 24. 24 by 29. Y is equal to 3k. 12 3 is 36 by 29. Z is equal to 4k. 48 by 29. So write that foot is 24 by 29, 36 by 29, 48 by 29. Foot is 24 by 29, 36 by 29, 48 by 29. So write. Next question, students. You solve one more question of the same type. You solve. Find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the origin to the plane. Origin to the plane. 3y plus 4z minus 6 equals 0. 3y plus 4z minus 6 is equal to 0. Solve that, students. Same type question. Let the foot be solution. Let the foot be pxyz. You assume that foot has a pxyz. Drs of perpendicular are are perpendicular are x, y, z. So next, drs of normal. Drs of normal. Normal line or normal vector? Normal or 3. We don't have x term, students. No x term. 0, 3, 4. 0, 3, 4. So since these two lines are perpendicular, these two lines are parallel. You have seen that in your figure. From the figure you seen that these two lines are parallel. Parallel means dr should be proportional. Proportional means x by 0 is equal to y by 3 is equal to z by 4. Let x by 0, y by 3, z by 4 is equal to k. That implies x is equal to 0 into k, 0. 0 into k, 0. We got x value. Y is equal to 3k. Z is equal to 4k. So now let's find out k value. Substitute in a plane. That implies 3 into what is y? Y means 3k plus 4 into what is z? 4k is equal to 6. 3 3s are 9k. 4 4s are 16k equals 6. 16 plus 9, 25k equals 6. That implies k equals 6 by 25. K is equal to 6 by 25. Calculate that, students. X is 0. Next, y is 6 3s are 18. 18 by 25. Z equals 6 4s are 24 by 25. Therefore, foot is 0. 18 by 25. Next, 24 by 25. So next, let us go for solving the next question, friends. I hope you understood how to find out coordinates of foot. 3 mark questions. They are all 3 mark questions. Let us move on to next type questions. Let us go for one more type of questions. So find the next question, students. So remember the following. So remember the following. First point. So equation of plane. So equation of xy plane. XY plane. Equation of XY plane. So look at this, students. So observe this. Carefully observe this. Look at this, students. Look at this, students. X axis, y axis, z axis. X axis. This is what you take this as x axis. x-axis, you take this as x-axis. The line which directs towards me is x-axis. This is y-axis, z-axis. This is y-axis, y-axis, z-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Now you see this, students. Look at this. X-axis, y-axis, z-axis. X-axis, y-axis, z-axis. This is x-axis, x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis. This lowest plane is called as xy plane. Xy plane, x-axis, y-axis. This is x. This lowest plane. The bottom plane, the plane which is in the bottom, is xy plane. You see this, students? X-axis, z-axis. X-axis, z-axis. This plane is called as xz plane. Xz. So next, y-axis, z-axis. This is y-axis. This is z-axis. Y-axis, z-axis. What is this plane called? YZ plane. YZ plane. YZ. I hope you are understanding. X-axis, y-axis. X-axis, y-axis. The plane which is between x-axis and y-axis is called xy plane. X-axis, z-axis. The plane which is between x-axis and z-axis is called xy. This is xz plane. The plane which is between y-axis and z-axis, this is the plane, is called yz plane. What is the equation of xy plane, students? On xy plane, y value 0. On xy plane, y becomes 0. Y value becomes 0. Keep that in mind. On xy plane, y is equal to 0. Therefore, equation of xy plane is y equals 0. Equation of xy plane is y equals 0. One more point. Equation of a plane. Equation of plane parallel to xy plane. Parallel to xy plane is y equals k. Y equals k. So this is xy plane. You assume this as xy plane, students. You take this as xy plane. So right, what is the equation of xy plane? Xy plane, z value 0. All z values. So z coordinate is always 0 on xy plane. So any other plane which is parallel to this plane, any other plane parallel to this plane. What is the equation of this paper? What is the equation of this cardboard? So y equals 0. Xy plane is y equals 0. Equation of any other plane parallel to xy plane is y equals k. Y equals k, where k is any real number. Where k is any real number. Where k is any real number. So next, equation of yz plane. Yz plane is x equals 0. What is the equation of yz plane? X equals 0. Equation of plane parallel to yz plane. Parallel to yz plane is x is equal to k. Third one, equation of equation of xz plane is xz y0, so that implies equation of plane parallel to xz plane is, so y is equal to k, where k is any real number, ನಿಮಗೆ xy ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ z equals 0 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. xy ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇರುವಂತ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ z equals 0 ಅಲ್ಲ, z equals ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. z equals 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ x and y, sorry, this is z equals 0, sorry student, equation of xy plane z equals 0, this is z equals k. xy plane ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ z equals 0. ಈ xy plane ಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇರುವಂತ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ z equals ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ಸ್, 0 ಇದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್, ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್. 0 ಇದ್ರೆ xz, yz ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ yz ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವುದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಹೇಳಿ, x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0, xy ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮೇಲೆ z ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ xy ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ z equals 0. xy ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇರುವಂತ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ z equals ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. I hope you understood this. So right, now let us go for solving. So okay students, we shall solve problems in this class. We shall continue in the next class. Okay, thank you.